Hello guys, welcome you on my YouTube channel. This is Naveen Kumar. I'm here to grab the data from a site toscript.com. The website is this website, so I'm going to grab the information like title of the website, author name, and even about the author. All the information that I'm going to grab with help of Python and Scrappy. So this is a study website. So I'm going to write some codes on VS Code Editor with the help of Python and Scrappy. So guys, let's look how it's going to happen. But before writing any code, you must have to have a knowledge of CSS and Express Writer and even knowledge of Scrappy with Python. Thereafter, you can actually relate me what exactly is happening on the code. So as I inspect on the title of the sites, every information is within the div tag, and inside this div tag there is also a div tag with class attribute code. So within every class attribute code, the information is available, like the title of the website, and even about the author and author name. In second span tag, the author name is available, and even the link of the author about the author is also available. But this link is not absolute; it's a relative link. So I need to convert it into absolute link. And in first span tag, the title is available. So in every div tag with code attributes, the information is available. The information is available. So I'm going to write some code with the help of CSS and Express Selector. So let's look how it's actually going to happen. As I open my file and go to the download and open Scrappy on VS Code Editor. Let's look guys. So before writing code, I need to create a spider, Scrappy spider on the terminal. So let's go into the virtual environment first. As I activated my virtual environment, now let's change the directory first. CD demo. In my case, the demo folder is available within the Scrappy. So I'm going to create a spider within the demo folder using command Scrappy. There's the spider. Name of the retroscript22.py. The spider has created with the name retroscript22 and remove the actually allowed domain, and you can change and keep it same. In my case, I'm changing the URL name, URL, only URL. So let's define a function, a start function, so that it could send some request. Create a request. URL is equal to self.url. You can use meta for dynamic sites, but there is no need to use that. So I'm just calling back and self dot again parse. Parse means whatever the data that you are going to grab. So as I name the parse, name the function. So let's create for I in everything, or you can store a variable like quote something. So response to CSS, and as I go to the website, expected, yeah. So within this div tag, all the code class attribute is available. So I'm looking for every code, div.code, the information is going to be grabbed. So for I in div dot, sorry, yeah, for every element, yeah, wait, I'm going to write div dot quote this is something, and for everything in this particular port. Actually, now you can directly yield or even can create title. Just simple website, so there is no need to take any worry about author name, and this is about ABUT, about author. I.css, where exactly the all information is available within the div tag span. So in span tag, the title is available. So span.text, and I'm going to grab the text. As I've told you guys, you must have to have a knowledge of CSS selectors. Then you can relate to me. Span.text and this text dot get. CSS. And within the small tag, small dot author, and we'll get the text, that is author name. So simple it is. Small dot author text dot get. And for author name, I'm actually going to grab the I'm actually going to use the XPath selector. Going to use contains method, guys. Contains method text. This text is what the text is. With the help of text, this text about text. Second span tag about the text. With the help of text, I'm going to grab the link. The link is available in href attribute within a tag. So as I do edit attribute, just copy and paste it. This one and dot get, but this is not absolute URL, so to convert into absolute, I need to use response dot URL join. Then this relative URL will convert it to absolute. Now everything we grabbed, and I'm looking for the pagination. Use accept method, guys. Accept as accept exception as e. If no page is available, then error will not happen. It will just show. Accept. No. Use abstain. So next page. Response dot CSS, and even it will be in li dot. I hope I have just because it's grabbed, that's why I remember a bit. Within li tag, li, and the class is next. The link is available. Li dot text a tag attr attribute href. page is not none, it means it's available. Then just create absolute URL. What is the actual link? The actual link is this one, and yeah, the str method, the next page. Now it's converted into absolute URL. Do yield and response dot follow. For every URL, it's going to asking for response, and callback again. Parse. Now every information will be grabbed. So let's look. Just a simple code that I have written over here. So guys, after getting all these, I have earlier scrapped these sites with the same code. It contains So guys, I have scrapped the things just because there was a problem with kind of I haven't tried a single parenthesis over here. That's why problem raised. And the information, every information that I grabbed in the CSV format. Now everything is correct. Albert Einstein. This is about Albert Einstein, and this is about J.K. Rowling. So everything is correct. Okay. This is enough for today, and see you soon for next videos, and do subscribe the channel for such content.